So we're in
Yes.
line at TJ Maxx yesterday. Of course, no one's around, but all the staff are just standing around.
We're like the only customer in there.
And I go to the woman at the front at the checkout and I say, hey, this is super random, but you'd know better than I do. Have you seen a shirt that says Big Sister on it? And she says, no, we haven't seen any of that. You can ask that guy over there. I asked him, sure enough, no one's seen anything. And, you know, she goes, what for? And I'm like, well, we're telling our daughter that she's going to be a big sister. And this girl's just like, over the moon, congratulations.
Yeah, she's so sweet. So sweet.
And like, whenever we meet happy, bubbly people, we'll always say, you know, let's connect on Instagram or follow us there, that kind of thing. So the girl,
I'm like, you know, before anybody else,
pulls out her phone, follows Ashley, and then you get an Instagram DM, I get an Instagram DM this morning saying, hey, it's me from TJ Maxx. There's a shirt for you in Georgetown, which is 20 minutes this way, with Big Sister on it. And I wrote back.
like, how did she do this?
I write
You
back.
got her message first, and I saw it later.
I wrote back and I say, how is that? And she said, I had it made. I had it made for you guys.
The sweet girl at the store had us a shirt made,
So,
and we're gonna go. Alex is gonna go pick it up after this video.
Yeah. So I'm heading down to Georgetown, in a bit of traffic right now, to get this mystery shirt. We have no idea what it looks like. We have no idea exactly what it says, hoping it just says Big Sister. But it was very sweet of the girl to make this kind of thing. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see how we go, I guess.
Graduation day. Maybe I wasn't his student anymore.
Okay, I'm at the bank to pick up this package, so let's see. So I'm at the bank. Keller saved the day. Look at this thing. I'm so excited. And it was a friend or someone that you knew that... Amazing. Saved the day. Now we're gonna go home. We're gonna tell Lily today. Yay! So I'll send you a little behind the scenes. We're not going public yet, but I'll send you behind the scenes. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Amazing. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's incredible. That is so nice of her. That is amazing. Oh man, that was great. That was really, really cool. Just in Walmart, trying to find a little onesie. Found this one. Gender neutral. 3 of them in there, little koala on there. Pretty appropriate for a half Australian little sibling. And then I've got the standard Carter's mini newborn onesies. Just looking around. There's nothing that says like, well, if we knew the gender, but it's been 3 weeks, like that says little sister. That's really cute. I don't know, getting options. I don't do very well in stores, more of an online shopper, so I end up buying too many things. So I'm gonna keep looking around. You know that kind of anxiety you get when you're trying to do something online and it's not working and you just get really frustrated and then you click between tabs and nothing works? That's kind of how I feel in a store. I'm much more comfortable clicking around on a computer, doing literally anything else. And I wander aimlessly in stores and get distracted and confused.
I was just showing this is going to be at the very bottom.
Right.
And then she will put this on. And this is this, look how pretty that is that the girl made. It is so beautiful. I'm so fortunate and grateful and lucky. That is awesome. Such a cute, look at the little ruffles. Ah, that's crazy. Oh, I'm nervous. I wish I could have a nice glass of champagne and a shot of vodka. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking.
8,000.
10,000. Don't get ketchup.
Say cheers, big ear.
Oh, cheers.
Only we know. You're so old.
They have a camp.
It's so long. Because I can't run around.
I like where you put those. Yeah. They like to frolic around at night.
You told me, like, oh, because and I thought, well, that was actually kind of a fun souvenir because they could keep playing with it. That's why you're really doing good.
Gigi, I got home and Mama got me a new shirt. Big sister. Yes. What's that say? Big sister.
Yeah.
Show her the baby clothes.
Show me the baby.
Yeah, okay, I'll show you. Come on.
We're having a baby.
It's the baby stuff.
Oh, it's a koala. Who bought this? Oh my gosh, I remember when you were so little. Oh, Lord. Y'all should have prepared me. I had my makeup on and some lipstick.
Gigi needs to sit down for a second.
Yeah. Oh, I might have a
Just like
heart
I had
attack.
to. One
Oh
week
my
ago.
gosh, you kept it a week from me.